Welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Today, we're going to be showing you how to draw a bunch of flowers. So, grab a pencil and a pen and let's get started. We're going to start off by drawing 2 curved lines across the page. These are going to be the stems. At the top of the lines, draw some circles. You can choose how many and what size they are. This is the start of your flowers. To add petals to the flowers, start drawing some curved arches around each of the circles. Depending on what flowers you'd like to draw, you can have long or short petals, wide or narrow, or both. The next step is to draw the leaves. They're a bit like upside-down triangles beneath the flowers. Now you can see the basic shapes have really come together to look like a beautiful bunch of flowers. Did you know that almost 80% of our viewers aren't subscribed to our channel? Why don't you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our videos? Now we've finished the first layer, it's time to trace over it with a pen. Choose a flower and begin by going over the circle. And then the petals. Do this with every flower you've sketched. Once you've finished with the flowers, trace over the leaves. Some of them might overlap, so make sure your lines don't go through one another. To add some extra detail, you can add a short line down the middle of each leaf. To complete the drawing, we're going to draw the stems of the flowers. Go back over the lines we sketched earlier, and this time add in some more long lines, joining them up with little curves at the bottom. Not all of the lines have to join up in the middle though. A little trick is to draw the bottom of the stems different lengths to make it look like there's more flowers in there than you can see. And there you have your finished flowers. We hope you enjoyed your time here at Twinkl Kids TV, learning to draw a bunch of flowers. Remember to look out for more of our How to Draw series in future. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button.